AMC and GameStop stock are about to make people rich. But before I do get into why I believe this, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because I do update you guys on AMC and GameStop stock every single day. So GameStop closed at around $27.16 after hours on Friday, down over 40% on the day, but it is still up 28% in the past week. After hours, it got to jump up to like $31. I saw it was up 10% as soon as overnight trading started for GameStop. AMC closed at $4.87, down 15% on the day. It was really a much bigger drop, all the way from like $6.80 is what it was trading at after hours on Thursday. After hours on Friday, it closed at $4.87. Big disappointment, but we are still green. I mean, we were trading at $4.15, which is where I bought a lot of my call options at. And I am predicting, this isn't financial advice, I am predicting that AMC is going to lead this week. I do know that GameStop just raised $3 billion. Insane, absolutely insane. As it has happened in history, AMC usually follows GameStop a couple of days later. GameStop had a run up back to its high that it had back here. You know, it's like the same chart, but AMC hasn't had its run up back to $10 again. Like GameStop, on the other hand, it already spiked back to what it was on May 14th. I do think AMC is going to spike back to $10, $11 this coming week. This is just my price prediction. Obviously, I could be wrong. Anything could happen. But yeah, overnight, trading up 7%, $30.20. I do think GameStop has the potential to be trading over $100 by the end of this week. AMC over $20. It is extremely possible to happen before June 21st. That's why I'm saying a lot of people are about to be rich. And it's not guaranteed. You know, it's extremely risky. But what happened 3 years ago? Roaring Kitty came out, said he had 50 grand. Now 3 years later, he's saying he has over 100, 200 million on the line. I'm bullish on both of these stocks. I do think that this is going to be the year for the meme stocks, and AMC and GameStop are going to go to new highs. So the short volume for GME was 150 million yesterday. This is double than it was in 2021 at the peak. It is over for the shorts, and they will learn their lessons the hard way when GME goes to $160 plus this week. So if we take a look at this chart, the short interest has spiked insanely. I mean, Ryan Cohen is trending on Twitter because he literally just raised $3 billion for GameStop on Friday. Absolutely insane. So how are you going to short a company that has $5 billion in cash? Obviously, AMC is down. It has debt to pay. But I do believe in the company, and I don't believe that it is going to go bankrupt anytime soon. GME raised $933 million on May 17th and $3 billion on June 7th. Which means GME has $5.2 billion cash in hand now. This means 45% of the market cap is in cash, which is very safe. We're going to fly to $160 from here, and the shorts are going to learn their lesson. GameStop, $5.2 billion in cash. A bunch of news channels stopped what they were doing just to watch Roaring Kitty spaz out on live, which was hilarious. And Roaring Kitty is back. He wasn't even tripping that he was down 200 million. He didn't even think of selling. The chart that he put out, the chart that he wrote was bullish. GameStop breaking out of the bearish cycle. It is the beginning of the bull cycle. I really do believe so. And a lot of people are going to make a lot of money. This is the opportunity of a lifetime. This guy said, so if 90% of AMC and GME shareholders are holding the stock and purchase the stock over the counter, yet the price is low, can it be due to market makers routing the buying order liquidity to their own inventory of naked short sales? So ChatGPT said yes, if 90% of shareholders are holding the stock and purchase it over the counter, yet the price remains low, it could be due to several market maker activities, such as naked short selling or internalization. So we all know that all these hedge funds are naked short selling AMC and GameStop specifically. Who knows how many other illegal activities they are doing, but they are trying their best to just get us to sell. You know, they're trying their best to make GameStop and AMC go down. I was watching a hedge fund watch Roaring Kitty's stream, and the hedge fund was saying, hopefully we could get past this and start looking at NVIDIA again, because he's short GameStop, he's screwed, he's crapping his pants, and they're down a lot of money. They can't sell. They're locked in with the bulls now. We all know damn well millions of people are going to be buying these two stocks this coming week, and it's inevitable. I think it is inevitable, the squeeze, which is why I haven't sold a single share in my portfolio, and I will continue to hold. This guy said, remember apes, $500 is not the squeeze, that is just a sneeze. We didn't hold for 3 years for a Honda, LMAO. We want wife changing money. And then he added this picture when AMC was peaking at $70.80 back in 2021. Let me remind you, this was before a 10-for-1 reverse split. So this should have been $700. $708 is what it really would have been. Now from $708, it's trading at $4.87. Could you believe that? From $70, now it's trading at 50 cents. Pretty crazy to look at. I really do think AMC could go past $20 to $30 this month alone. So this is an old video of Roaring Kitty explaining his use of the Uno reverse card and the wild card. Let's go ahead and hear what Roaring Kitty had to say back in the day about using these Uno reverse cards.
The reverse. You know this card? This is the reverse card, right? This is effectively a reminder for myself of like, if you're really not that sure whether or not you're buying the stock, man, if you're not sure and there's a little bit of ambiguity there, like don't force it. I mean, it's saying like don't coerce, reverse. So what I do is if I'm looking at PENN, P-E-N-N, I reverse the tickers. So then I start looking at N-N-E-P in this case, and I say, all right, that's the ticker I'm going to buy instead. Now that's if it's not a ticker, right? N-N-E-P is not a ticker. I start chomping off letters until I arrive at a ticker. So chop off the N, then we're at N-E-P, and now we're at, what is it, Next Era Energy Partners or something like that. That's the ticker we're buying. See how simple it is? Keep it simple, stupid. Next card. Okay, everyone loves to get this card, right? Boom. Wild card. I love to get this card too. It really simplifies my life quite a bit. And what the wild card is telling me, it's saying when in doubt, shake it about. So that's what I do. I shake my magic 8-ball about, and what I'm saying now is I've already drawn the card. I say, should I buy 6,000 shares of Penn National Gaming, right? And then the 8-ball tells me what to do. My reply is no, right? But I just if I don't get the answer I want, I just say I'm still a little bit in doubt, so I shake it about. Should I buy Penn? Outlook not so good. You just keep on going. My sources say no, and you just keep on going until you get the answer you want. Should I buy Penn? Yes, definitely. Perfect. Okay, so then in that case, we'd buy 6,000 shares of Penn. See that? See how easy that is?
So that is Roaring Kitty's explanation to the wild card. I feel like if he does go live again, he's going to have the question ready for the 8-ball. He could be like, you know what? Should I sell GameStop? And he's just going to shake it until it says no. Or he's going to ask the 8-ball, should I buy more GameStop? And then just shake it until it says yes. That itself would cause the stock to go parabolic. If we take a look at GameStop now, it's already trading back up 10% overnight, $31.14. This week is going to be insane. Just on Friday alone, over 400 million shares of GameStop and AMC combined were traded. 400 million shares of those two stocks, like 150 million for AMC and like 270 for GameStop. The whole stock market is paying attention to GameStop and AMC. So why are you going to look anywhere else? Why are you going to go look at Nvidia? Why are you going to go look at Tesla? Everyone knows damn well that we're going to be looking at GameStop, AMC stock, because it's short squeeze season and these shorts are screwed. I mean, let's just go back to the short interest. It's been through the roof. It's never been this crazy in history. This is what causes a short squeeze. Look up what causes a short squeeze. It's 3 things. You need a bunch of short interest. We got that. We need some insanely good news. We got that for GameStop at least. And when the third thing, we need a gap up in share price that causes the shorts to close their positions and buy back the shares, which causes a loophole of the stocks just going up and up, which is why it's called a short squeeze. So in my opinion, we are set up for the MOASS and a bunch of people are about to be rich. But that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because I do update you guys on AMC and GameStop stock every single day. And stay tuned on my channel because this coming week is going to be insane. I will be updating you guys on everything that happens with these 2 stocks. So I will catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go.